Alright, so I'm supposed to be doing this nacho challenge. Y'all can't see me, but y'all can hear me. So here is my nacho challenge. Now, as far as I know, we got cheese, the jalapenos, the salsa, some sour cream, the salsa, some sour cream. That's right, that's salsa. Now, they had steak on there, but they had hamburger on theirs, but I wanted steak, so that's steak. Now, these little things are all about a cup each. Hold on, let me get there's something missing, 1 second. I got some guacamole, but it's cold. I hang it in the freezer. So wait a minute. Don't worry about me adjusting. I'm just adjusting so y'all can see. And we're gonna get the nachos. A little circle here. Alright, so we gotta get the what is it? The guacamole. That's missing. And here go the nachos. Y'all see them all like really close up here. Y'all get the point. Here we go. Party pack, whatever. So we want to put the nachos on here. I'll probably put the stuff in the oven. Hold on. Oop. I'm going to burn the guacamole. Wait a minute. Alright, so here goes the guacamole. I'm not going to use all this stuff. I wind up putting it in my refrigerator for later. Here's the nachos. Come on, man. I like Doritos nachos. Y'all hear me chewing? So here go the nachos. I'm gonna spoon because I might have to scoop this stuff on here. Alright, so they had the steak first. Y'all know y'all see people in these videos, they be wearing gloves and stuff like that. I'm not wearing gloves. I'm sorry. I'm not feeding a whole bunch of people. So we're gonna put the steak on here first. Kind of get it in there. Like I said, everything is about a cup each. Those my little containers are like a cup. They hold about a cup of anything you want to put on there. Now, I guess I'll do the cheese last, but I'm gonna put the guacamole on since that's a little warm. If this is nasty, I'm gonna have to report this nacho joint. Alright, so we got the guacamole on there. I'm gonna go with the cheese next, or just not all of it. I'm going to save some. Or I just might get some more. Then it'll probably be like a cup and a half of cheese. Here go the salsa. That's right, that's salsa. I don't care what y'all say. So here we go. Salsa. And so I'm gonna put the sour cream on last. Oh shoot. Oh man. And here go y'all jalapenos. And this actually looks pretty good. I mean, I'll probably have a stomachache and be praying to the porcelain god later on. But I'm pretty sure it'll be good. Now, I want to add just a little bit more cheese. You know, cheese is good. So we're just going to add just a little bit more cheese on here. Now, see, I feel like this is something they should put in the oven. But they didn't put it in the oven. They just do everything on top of the nachos. You know, you have to challenge where you see the challenge. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, my God. Jalapenos is attacking me. And sour cream. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Spread it around a little bit. Gee, that's a lot. I'm definitely not gonna eat this. Oh, I probably have to give some to my parents when they come to pick up their ribs. I want a little bit more. Look, that's good. That's good. All right. So this is my nacho challenge. Now let's see. Jesus Christ. I don't like the fact that it's like all on the top. Like I would prefer like layer it personally, but they didn't do that. So they just kind of threw it on there. Y'all not gonna see me eat this, so don't even worry about it. I'm not with all that watching me eat. It's good. Yep. Jalapenos really give it a kick. If we get you some hot, good ones. I must have got the extra hot. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna say. I'm trying to see me scoop this stuff on my fingers. All right. Good night.